Thanks for joining me for this weekend forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. Sunday, a much sunnier day compared to Saturday. Quite a lot of cloud around on Friday evening and still some rain to clear away from Shetland. That'll take much of the evening, but overall a dry night for much of the mainland. Some spots of rain at times, perhaps over the Highlands and the Western Isles. A lot of cloud keeping the temperatures up. A very mild night indeed for the time of year. Temperatures mostly at 6s and 7s as we head into the weekend. Now, we are going to see some wet weather around on Saturday, but first thing, certainly most places will be dry. We may well see some sunny spells along the Moray Firth and through parts of northeastern Aberdeenshire. Any early sunshine, though, will be disappearing, and quite quickly rain will be creeping into the Western Isles, and then that spreads its way across the Highlands. A pretty grim day, actually, over the Highlands. A lot of wet weather. It'll be windy, too, and feeling really quite cold. That rain will slip its way south through the Central Belt during the afternoon. So a spell of rain crossing the country during Saturday. It may turn a bit drier and brighter late on in the far northwest. It'll also start to turn a little colder quite rapidly here, 9 or 10 early on, but those temperatures dropping through the afternoon. Early on as well, we could get to 11 or 12 along the Moray Firth, but generally afternoon temperatures 9, 10, maybe 11 degrees Celsius, but not feeling all that pleasant with that wet weather, which will continue to drift away to the south, fairly smartly actually on Saturday evening, allowing plenty of showers to come in across the Highlands, the Northern Isles and the Western Isles. They'll be steadily easing through the night as the winds ease off and we see clearer skies. It's going to be a much colder start to Sunday with a fairly extensive frost. A much brighter day, though, a cracking day, in fact, to be up in the mountains on Sunday. A complete contrast, much lighter winds. Yes, there may be some high cloud making the sunshine fairly hazy, perhaps a bit breezy at times in the Western Isles, but for most places, light winds. Lots and lots of sunshine. And yes, it'll be colder, but temperatures actually still getting up to 7, 8, maybe 9 degrees Celsius. And in the sunshine, that'll feel pretty pleasant, I suspect. So, as I said, big contrast between Saturday and Sunday with some rain on Saturday, much drier and much brighter by the time we get to Sunday. Goodbye.